Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Affinity account. So if you don't have Affinity, you're not familiar with Affinity, Affinity is essentially a free program created by Canva when they purchased Affinity from another company. So Canva now has it for free and anyone can get it. The one thing that you should know is you should have a current Canva account because you will need that. So you're going to head into affinity.studio/get dash affinity. I've included the link in the description. And then what you're going to do is click the button here, Get Affinity. And once you do that, you'll see this little thing that says sign up to download. When you click the sign up to download, you are going to be taken into this little screen where you'll then continue if you have a Canva account. Okay, so you're going to need to have the Canva account in order to be able to click continue. Now, mine's obviously picking up on my Canva account because I'm actually logged in on a different screen on my Canva account. So if you do have a Canva account, then you're just going to click continue and you'll follow all the prompts and then you'll be able to get Affinity on your desktop computer or your laptop. I'm working on a laptop right now. You can also access this in other ways, but I recommend that you do it on a larger screen. It just makes everything I'm going to show you later in next videos just so much more easier to follow along. So that is how you create an Affinity account. It's 100% free. All you need is a Canva account as well. So go ahead, create your Affinity account, and I'll see you in the next video.